Hi, very good evening. While coming to the final project, we have developed something called NAU Groceries. So what the theme was this particular project was, we have a Louis cupboard in our campus where students are going to sign up over there and will be taking the groceries. So we have implemented the similar thing which is on the same lines. So where the user can actually directly sign up into that and go to the cart and make the checkout and get those groceries. So while going to the lookout of the website. So yeah, this is the website. Let me refresh it. Yeah. So this is the website. This is the first page. How it gonna look? So since I'm taking it as a new user, let's go to the create an account over here. Let's write something Raj Sipali. Let me give the NAU ID. I'm giving some random stuff over here as I'm not doing any data validation with the NAU database. So let me give the password. Let's submit. So once I hit the submit, as you can see, the sign up was actually successful. Let's test this connection. Go to the login page. Here you can see the login was successful. Now it will be redirected to the cart. So in the cart, we can see the list of groceries which are actually uh, available in the grocery store. So what this happens is, we can click on add to the cart and you can see the cart details over here. Irrespective of this cart button, I can click the items here where the cart will be updated over here. As you can see, it's $2. When I clicked on plus it got incremented to 2, so it is 4. So when the user finally want to buy this item, he can click on pay now. As we haven't implemented the gateway right now, so I just gave the pop-up over here. The amount was paid and the total billed amount is 8.50. So which could be eventually added to the NAU ID so the student can be charged over his ID when we finally deployed over to the Louis cupboard. So this is what we actually deployed. So we also had an admin page for this. So let's go to the admin page and test it. So these are the admin credentials where we should be created in the code. So these are the details. So this is the thing which I have actually created right now with the NAV ID is 6 files. So this shows the complete working of the final project while going to the parts of code. So this is the code which we actually developed. So this is the first file which it will be executed whenever we runs this code. Whenever the backend server got hit, it will be redirected to the sign up page. As you already see in the sign up page, the user can actually fill his or her details and they can actually log in once he signed up and eventually they can do the checkout. So this is how the program flow was. So the major things while coming to this file was, this is the connection string which I have wrote to connect my database. So these are the files get request which I'm actually taking the data once the data was actually signed up from the table by using the get request. This is the query which I wrote, the data can be scraped over there and it could be validated once it goes to the login page. So this is how the flow was. While coming to the database connectivity, my friend are gonna show how it was. Let me stop share. Let me allow the screen share. Yeah. As you can see in the select, the password was hashed. We has used the hashed function to hash the password, and those are the list of users where actually they logged in and they signed up. So while coming to the deployment, we have deployed the code in two areas. One is in Amazon AWS and one is in Render. Let me quickly show in Amazon AWS. So this is my AWS console. Let me go to my instances. Let me. connect over here. All right. So as you can see, the code is running in the server and it was deployed out there. So this is the final page where the code was actually deployed. So one second. So these are the list of users who was actually connected in that particular database as the code was deployed in multiple platforms. Each platform has an individual database. Right now, we're actually submitting the link which the code was actually deployed in the render. So while coming to the render setup, so in this render, we have actually deployed the code in this particular platform. Since it is an open source and it's a free platform, so we have opted for this particular a channel to host our website. So while coming to the roles and implementation, so the front end part was actually developed by Sai Ishwant Tripala, and the styling was actually performed by Vamsi, and he also made some database integrations where the database part and the admin part was developed by Rahul, and I made the entire database, the connection, integration of entire code. So this concludes the final presentation of the project. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I apologize. Like my friend just got confirmed me that the page was not properly shared. So yeah, here you can s- see the database details. All right. So as you can see, the database details are visible. So this concludes our presentation. Thank you. Thank you so much.